Good morning, students. I am Divakar Pandey from Modern English School, Kuntinagar, Nevada, and welcome back to your online classes. Today, I am going to provide you my first video lecture of lesson 2, and the topic is Our Blue Planet. This is the topic related with SST, and that has been taken from class 3. Now in this video, today we have to know about our blue planet. In this chapter, we have to study about 8 points that has been shown at a glance. First of all, our Earth. About we have to study and atmosphere, shape of the Earth, globes and maps, compass, continents, oceans, and other water bodies. But among these 8 points, we have to study in this video only 3 points about our Earth, atmosphere, and shape of the Earth. So now I start the chapter. First of all, what is planet? As I have discussed you in my previous video that planet is a heavenly body that revolves around the sun. It means those heavenly bodies that revolves around the sun are called planets. How many planets are there? Yes, you can tell me. There are 8 planets. Among those 8 planets, today we have to study about the Earth, where we live on. This planet is known as blue planet. Why? Let us study. As we know, our Earth is the only planet in the solar system where we live and life exists. So we can say our Earth is an unique planet. So why is our Earth called a unique planet? Because this is the only planet where life exists. Now we come to know about more about the Earth. The Earth is a habitable planet. Why? Because as the planet Earth has a number of ideal features. What are these features? Yes, first of all we come to know. The Earth is surrounded by a blanket of air, and this blanket of air is called atmosphere. Second feature of the Earth is that it is neither too hot nor too cold, as our Earth gets just the right amount of heat from the sun. So these are the favorable conditions that make our Earth habitable. So our Earth is called a habitable planet. Living things need air, water, and suitable temperature conditions to live, and all these suitable conditions are available only on the Earth. So this is the reason to be called a habitable planet. Now we come to know other things. About 3/4 part of the Earth is covered with water. Yes. Can you tell me how many parts of the Earth covered with water? About 3/4 of the Earth is covered with water in liquid form. In which form? In liquid form. So the Earth is also called the blue planet. So can you tell me why our Earth is called the blue planet? Because about 3/4 of the Earth is covered with water in liquid form, so our Earth is known as the blue planet. Now after knowing about the Earth, we come to know about atmosphere. What is atmosphere? Now let us know. The Earth is surrounded by a layer of gases such as oxygen and nitrogen, water vapor and dust particles. These all things make a layer, and this layer is called the atmosphere. It means atmosphere is the layer through which our earth is surrounded, and this layer is made up of gases such as oxygen, nitrogen, water vapor and dust particles. Now we come to know about the shape of the earth. What is the shape of the earth? Do you know? In ancient times, it means in past times, people believed that the earth was a flat land. But great scientist of ancient Greece, whose name was Copernicus, and his student, whose name was Galileo, said that the earth was round in shape and had no any edge the earth had. But people did not believe them. At that time, the first person to prove that the earth is round was Portuguese explorer. And can you tell me what was the name of this Portuguese explorer? Ferdinand Magellan. Ferdinand Magellan was that Portuguese explorer who first of all proved that the earth is round. He started on a long journey from Spain on a ship, and like this he sailed on in one direction, and after about 3 years he reached the same point, it means same spot from where he had started to travel. Like this story tells us that this event proved that the earth is not flat with edge, but it is round like a ball. Actually, we can say the earth is not exactly round like a ball, it has a spherical shape. So, what is the real shape of the earth? The real shape of the earth is a spherical. It is a spherical like an orange, and it is flat at the top and its bottom. That is known as North Pole and South Pole. So, like this, I will discuss about other things, globes and maps in other video. Thank you. Have a nice day.